One, two, three, go.
The rabbit and the turtle. I am the fastest runner in the world, and I challenge anybody to race with me. The rabbit boasted to the other animals. No one accepted the challenge except the turtle. I accept your challenge. What? You, a slowfoot turtle? You must be joking. No, no, no. Are you afraid? You, slowfoot rabbit? The two animals agreed to race and decided on the start and finish line. The race started and the rabbit speedily ran out of sight, leaving the turtle behind, knowing that the turtle was far behind him.